Welcome to a vision of the future, where travel meets ultimate luxury, technology blends with nature, and mobility becomes an experience far beyond imagination. Today, we're stepping inside the world's most valuable motorhome of 2027, a masterpiece of engineering, comfort, and design, built not just as a vehicle, but as a futuristic rolling palace. This isn't just about driving, it's about living the future on wheels. Let's begin the journey. From the very first glance, this motorhome demands attention. The body is crafted from ultra-lightweight aerospace-grade carbon titanium alloy, reducing weight while maintaining extreme durability. The exterior shimmers with a liquid nanopaint that adapts to the environment. In bright daylight, it shines with a deep metallic silver, while at night, it transforms into a reflective black mirror, blending elegance with stealth. At 55 feet in length and almost 14 feet in height, its presence is majestic. The design is not boxy like traditional RVs. Instead, it flows like a luxury yacht on land, with aerodynamic curves inspired by hypercars. Integrated into the front are holographic LED lights that adjust intensity automatically, while the rear is styled with sleek jet-like fins for stability. The front section houses a living room that rivals high-end penthouses. It includes 360 panoramic smart windows that can switch from transparent to opaque with a touch, a holographic entertainment system projecting 6K visuals in mid-air, reclining massage sofas with built-in temperature control, a fireplace powered by safe plasma technology, creating warmth and ambience without emissions. The kitchen isn't just functional, it's futuristic. Equipped with self-cooking AI appliances that can prepare meals with robotic precision, a fridge that restocks itself through automatic drone delivery, a dining table that adapts size based on the number of guests, countertops that double as interactive recipe displays. This motorhome comes with 3 master bedrooms, each designed like a boutique hotel suite, king-sized smart beds with posture-adjusting memory foam, skylight ceilings that project the night sky in built-in private balconies that extend outwards with glass flooring for breathtaking views, walls embedded with soundproof technology for peaceful rest, no matter where you're parked. No expense has been spared here. The bathrooms featured rainfall showers with aromatherapy steam settings, Japanese smart toilets with full customization, heated marble floors and gold-plated faucets, a mini spa with massage pods and skin rejuvenation systems. This motorhome isn't just for travel, it's for living. Owners can host private parties, conduct business summits, or simply retreat into the wilderness while enjoying the luxuries of a penthouse. With built-in satellite internet and holographic communication, you are never disconnected. Yet, the soundproof walls and panoramic views make it easy to escape into pure tranquility. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a vision of human ambition, a place where technology, luxury, and sustainability unite. It shows us that the future of mobility is not just about moving from one place to another, but about carrying your world with you, your home, your comfort, your lifestyle, wherever the road may lead. And that's what makes it the most valuable motorhome of 2027. Subscribe to ARK Reviews,